How y'all feeling today? It's your boy, Mr. P, and C.Mack himself. You know what I'm saying? We just want to give you guys an update on the weekly markups, man. We've been killing the market. And today we're going to do a little bit of recapping, right? A little recapping so you guys can understand that not only what we're saying is actually playing out, but how we actually was able to get gains in the market and in our community as well. Right now, C.Mack going to go over some BTC and let you guys know exactly how he was able to capitalize in this bull market, because we've been in a hella bear market, right? The Bears has had the lead thus far all year. Bitcoin has literally been falling all year, and this young man right here called out a buy, man, and it's been going crazy. Talk about it, C.Mack. Let's hear
it. First and foremost, right? Thank you for the introduction.
Absolutely.
First and foremost, I want to say this: everyone was a bear. Everyone's a bear. In that chat, everybody was a bear, man. We was all waiting on 12K. We all waiting on 13K. Little cute 10K. Yeah, that's cute, man. That's cute, man. But the Bitcoin cartel don't care, man.
The Bitcoin cartel.
Bitcoin cartel don't care, man. Right? Okay. I looked at the chart, right? I saw everybody's getting happy, but you know what I'm saying? We get the prime entry on Bitcoin. I'm gonna buy the Bitcoin with a standard lot and take it on up to 30K, yada, yada, yada. When I get that 10K entry, no. Okay. This time I knew that 10K entry wasn't coming, right? If you know anything about harmonics, we had a bullish cipher pattern pull up on the weekly chart. And you know anything about the weekly chart and time frames, the higher the time frame, the what?
Hey, the better the confirmation.
The better the confirmation.
Let's get it.
The better the confirmation. So anyway, without further ado, I'm representing the 96 Bulls, right? Because we back.
Okay, let's go. The Bulls in the house. 96 Bulls. Let's go.
Back, baby. All right.
Back to back, baby.
So anyway, let me know if you can see my screen.
Absolutely. Definitely. Okay.
So anyway, in the chat, I called out a buy. My boy PIP'N called out a sell. We were going head to head. You know what I'm saying?
I seen. Let me explain myself before you just throw me out there in the street. Before you just throw me under the bus, right? Let me explain myself. So I seen a hella resistance on BTC off the daily, the weekly, the 4 hour, the hour, and I was convinced that we was going to get some type of pullback. I wanted to see it hit 19K. I wanted to see a quick little run, quick little, down 10. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead, play some Kentucky full court press defense and run it up real quick. But unfortunately, that didn't happen. But my analysis was correct and the risk reward was on point. So we didn't lose a lot, but we was also in the buy. So it panned out perfectly.
Yeah, I mean, I like the idea.
Okay.
It's the wrong idea, right?
Talk to me nice.
All right. So thank you for being my exit liquidity. So I'm saying, thank you for getting short squeeze like the rest of
shots fired, people. Shots fired.
That are out there. So all the peons, the pitiful peons.
Shit. Hold on. The disrespect is getting out of control. Hold on.
You know what I'm saying? You're a king, but that decision was a peon decision. Anyway. We're going back to this weekly chart here, harmonics. You know anything about harmonics? They're about 75, 80% accurate anytime they pop up on you. So I had to take a shot. All right. So I called out a buy originally right around 16K, 17K, where everybody was a bear. They want to be a Care Bear. They want to be, they want to snuggle with themselves like a grizzly bear. I said, nah, man. I see some horns coming up out of that chart, man.
Let's go.
Some golden horns, some bull horns. And when you see them bull horns, you grab them bull horns, man. You know what I'm saying? Because that thing's going to take you to all-time new highs, brother. All right? So here we got a risk-reward ratio. That's something crazy. Something crazy for the upside, minimum downside. I said, you know what? If Bitcoin goes to zero, I just lose my money. That's fine, right? But if Bitcoin
is it though?
Goes up from here, oh baby, I'm buying a new vehicle. That's what I'm doing, right? That's what I'm doing.
You need it because I heard that when a little toe down. Well, hey, you deserve it.
We're gonna come for a little, you know what I'm saying? the red stallion. We ain't coming for her right now.
Okay, my bad. I'm just shooting my shots when I can.
Yeah, like Tory Lanez. Anyway, cut that. Just kidding. Free Tory. I'm just kidding. All right. So we got a buy, and boom, on the weekly, we have a bullish engulfing on the weekly. Bullish engulfing on the weekly, okay? Now we're on the second week. We got 1 day, 7 hours left on this next bullish weekly candle. All right. If you know anything about bullish weekly candles, if you look back here, oh my God, look at that.
Is that the run? Is that the run? Do you expect that type of run right now? Is that what you're looking for?
Yes, man. So everybody's expecting the Feds to pivot. They're just pausing. They're just teasing.
Okay.
And in the midst of this, and I called this beginning of the year, I said the next 6 months, we should also be accumulating crypto. I said this at the beginning.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
We should be all accumulating Bitcoin, because when everybody was bearish, that's what the Feds, that's what the big cartel people want you to think. They want you to think it's over. They want you, it's sad, it's send it out, it's take it out to the backyard, be buried in the backyard, it's done. Bitcoin's dead, the stocks are done, right? When all that builds up in the market, they want you to sell your stocks. They want you to sell your crypto. All right. Thank you for your cheap crypto, sir. I appreciate it. Now we're about to take this thing up to the moon. Now you can't even afford it anymore. Joke's on you, joke's on you, right? And that's exactly what they're doing. So everybody's waiting. Oh, wait, this is the greatest bull trap ever. Yeah.
So how do you feel about all that imbalance, all that open space down there at 12K?
It doesn't matter.
Talk to me nice.
It doesn't matter. We could come back and get that next year.
Okay. But you do expect it to get got.
So, yeah. So let me tell you, you see this right here?
Mm-hmm. Okay. I see the Batman.
Right? These are blow off tops, right? That's what we're starting now. We're starting the next blow off.
You said blow off tops?
Blow off tops.
What's her name?
Right? Boom. Ain't no retesting, you know what I'm saying? Boom. It's gone. It's gone. Okay? It's like this. When if everybody knows about crypto, when crypto falls, it falls like an elevator. It falls, right?
Okay.
And that's exactly what you saw. When it's in the bull market, we're kind of like an escalator. All right, kind of like an escalator, right? People are in denial. That Bitcoin has been positive. Let me go to the daily. Bitcoin has not had a negative day since the beginning of 2023. Right?
It's funny because right where I was thinking about selling, now I see your markups. Can you stretch that out a little bit more for me, sir? I see that you did potentially have it marked up for a potential sale back down to about 19K-ish.
Right. This would have been the ideal scenario.
Okay.
Right. People were waiting to get in Bitcoin here, this area, okay, sub 20K to max bid. I know you was gonna put a stand lot on it. I saw the look in your eye.
We stay invested in the market as well. So in the crypto market, we do own crypto. But as far as trading in the Forex market, absolutely. I was waiting on the dip and I was going to take advantage. I do have buy limits down there ready to activate all the way down to 12K. So yes, sir, we are cocked and loaded and ready to go.
Yes, I made a call to the cartel. I said, yo, they waiting on the dip, man. They waiting on the dip, man. They said, hey, we ain't gonna give it to them. We ain't gonna give it to them. Let them sit on the sideline. Let them sit on the side. Let them watch. Let them be fans. They fans in the stands. They wait. Buy Bitcoin. And what happened? What happened? Scenarios right here.
So where did you call out the buy? Let's get down to it. Where did you call out the buy?
Well, we had 2 signals, right?
Yeah, I'm talking about the first buy initially because I know it was top of the week, and we can go back to the chat to actually refer back to the actual statistics. Matter of fact, I'm gonna pull that up while you explain.
Yeah, you look that up real quick. And then I called out a buy limit for those that weren't in yet. All right. We call a buy limit at 28, 27.98. I want to say it was the entry. 27. So right around here. Yeah, right around here.
That was the most recent buy. Yeah.
Yeah, right here.
that I disagree with, definitely.
Yeah. So 2,700 is when I called the next buy. Right here was where this pink starts, pink arrow.
Mm-hmm.
Right. And then I said two things could happen. And I had a tight stop loss on this. Okay. And if we break that stop loss, we will come back down to the 19K area. All right. But if not, the stop loss doesn't get hit, which it did not. Okay. One of my trades I closed prematurely because I thought I was going to sell out. But my other one I kept open.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, for 3 I have open still. We took off, right? So this is a daily. Boom. It hit a doji. We was stuck in that doji day. That's when I called out the buy. Then the next day positive. Then the next day positive. Okay. And we got 6 hours, 35 minutes left on this daily candle. Okay. Now, as you can see, we have the order blocks, which is just busting through these bearish order blocks.
I'm gonna forward this over to you, brother. Oh my God. Shout out to you, man. I want you to pull this up when you get a chance.
Okay,
this is
Telegram.
Yeah, I sent it on Telegram. I forwarded it over. The king called a buy, tight stop loss at 17.3.
Yes.
Yes, 17.3. 17.3. He called out the buy, and I'm gonna just interrupt you real quick and just share this really quick so they can understand what's really going on, and then you can share right back. But I just want the people to understand the value in the massive. Okay, here we go. Sharing it right now. Bow. Here's the buy signal that he called out from the chat. Here it is here, people. Boom. As you can see, price is floating around about 657,000, right? This is when he actually called out the buy here, and it's the chat. Let's go back to the chat. Here it is, as you can see, January 1st. All right. I just want the stats to be, to be recorded and let people know exactly what's going on. All right, you may continue. Share your screen again and go ahead and finish out, brother.
Boy, that was colder than I thought, brother.
Whew, sheesh. Talk to me nice. Now I was in that buy, but I was expecting a little bit of retracement around 19. I got out around 19, 2K, 20K, and then it blew through that resistance heavily.
That was January 1st. I called that out.
Yes, January 1st.
Okay,
it's now.
So, oh wow. So yeah, it was even lower.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
About 16, 16.3, 16.5, 17K, that area. So right up in there somewhere.
Yeah. So yeah, that was the entry right there.
Jesus.
That was the entry, bro.
Talk to me nice. Yes,
Pete,
sir.
that was the entry.
Yes, that's beautiful. Can we count up them pips real quick? Just for shits and giggles. Count up those pips real quick. Just for the audience. Let's just count those pips up.
1 second.
The ruler right below the heart.
I was gonna do the long entry. So
okay. Talk to me nice.
Yeah, right here. It was the stop loss again. 16.
Stop loss was super tight. Yep.
Yeah. 79,000 pips.
Woo! Not 79,000. Listen, family. My man just went for 60,000 plus pips. If you would have held that, you'll be up 60,000 pips. If that was a standard, you'll be up 60 racks. This is not cap. This is actually happening, and the value we consistently giving on a day-to-day is real. In the G.P.S chat, shout out for Charlton for that beautiful, beautiful call out. Look at the risk to reward. Oh my God. Yeah, I think he's surprised, family. Look at his face. Woo. Yes. So as you know, family, we're gonna close out this recap. just to let you know that, you know, now is not the time to buy. We definitely waiting on another retest. How you feel about what if people out there that don't understand, of course, a lot of people don't trade in the foreign exchange market. A lot of people in this particular league. But for people who have, you know, Coinbase, who have crypto.com, what do you recommend for them as far as a good point of entry to invest?
All right. So your best bet, okay? Your best bet is to be mindful. We are in a run, okay? I would probably, if you're not in now, I would probably wait for some sort of consolidation, okay? Mm-hmm. I would join the G.P.S chat. I would tap in because we're going to be in the markets daily. We'll be able to let you know exactly when we're going to be, you know, reloading and getting back in there. And like I tell everybody, you want to buy when the market is boring. Want to buy when things are sideways. In a bull run like this, just understand when you do get in, okay, whether you dollar cost average in or wherever you just go big in your first purchase, okay, that there will be a blow off top. So when you're up 15%, 30%, 50%, be ready to take 90% of your money so you can cash out. All right. Do not be greedy. I'll tell you like this: the bulls win, the bears win, the pigs get slaughtered.
Talk to me nice.
So don't be greedy. If you made your 50%, walk away. You made your money. Don't think because you put $500 into Bitcoin, you're going to walk away with 50 million. All right. Or even 50,000 or even 5,000. Be reasonable with your expectations. Because a lot of us don't study the markets, don't study the charts. So don't act like an expert once your money's in there. Okay. Be mindful, right? Just like in real estate, your house goes up, you know, 500%, you're probably going to be looking to sell it, right? Because that mortgage, that house note's going to be crazy. All right. So yeah, so that's my tip, you know, that's my little tidbits. That's a little rant per se. And of course, like I said, everybody had a chance to buy Bitcoin below 20K. I was on record. I said Bitcoin under 25K is a gift. Purchasing Bitcoin under 25K is a gift.
Thanks.
But yeah, we all had that opportunity. Same with the previous bull run.
We capitalized on that for sure. And we definitely want to take our money. When you up 300% family, you definitely want to capitalize on those gains and at least get the money that you initially invested so you can have that capital or at least double that money and put those gains away because the market does move up, down, and forward. So when those dips do come, you're prepared to use those gains to get more gains. And that's why we recommend you becoming a gang member over there at the G.P.S chat because, you know, that's what it is. But thank you, Charlton, for that analysis, man, that Bitcoin recap. As you know, family, it's a blessing to be a blessing. Shout out to all the gang members out there. And you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading career, family. If you need some help, tap in with the guys. Yes, sir.